Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Backup, and as you can see we've got the very first step of adding a Google account to this device. So let's tap on Add Account again. Here we have to make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. After that, just tap on Next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information what the backup includes, so and also some info about the backup. So here we've got the information that you will be able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account, and it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details, and here you've got also some information. Here you can check that the backup will appear automatically, your device will store your data securely, and manage your backup easily. If you want to back up your data right now, just tap on Turn On. If not, just tap on Not Now. And as you can see, we just got back to the system settings, and if you did not back everything up, no worries, you can do it whenever you want to. Just tap on the backup, and as you can see, we just got back to this very last step, so just tap on Turn On. And as you can see, here we've got the account storage and so on and so on. So it means that we just enabled the backup. We can tap on Backup now, and all the data will be backed up and saved on the Google Drive. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.